Well, the people over here in Marion, Ohio, Saturday night for the Rod Knockers monthly car show at the Roll King. 4th of July weekend. Have a nice crowd here. Some food. Man, that's a long mini shed. Woo! This one has a really cool color to it. It's like a cardboard wood. Wingish looking shed. So we used to see cars like this over at Plain City. This one's kind of truck inspired with a turbo diesel engine, and he's got the air out of it. So 5 to 9 for the show. Yeah, going on 7. Like drum brakes in the back. You know, the rear end would just kind of be going through there. Probably a big truck rear end. And, like a marine fuel tank. He was sitting in there a minute ago. Pulled the steering wheel off. Looks like a truck transmission. 3 master cylinders from Wildwood over there. A hydraulic clutch maybe, a hydraulic brake, and there's 3 single masters. Has the signal spat out of a semi. Playing around with the air. There's a turbo Cummins. Not sure about the front end on that guy. Just a dinky radiator. Got her together though. Has a skid plate. It looks like some sort of a pretty sweet Nova in red. Black interior. This mini shed's like a corral, isn't it? And wasn't sure if I've seen this Mustang before or not, but red with white interior and a white stripe. Beautiful fastback Mustang from 65. A project car or intentionally distressed, I'm not sure. A flathead car with a blown flathead, and a parade car with a rumble seat. This says 33 Ford. A couple, I don't know, are there Strombergs, but and what's that about? I mean, oil or something? I've seen automobiles like this one before. It has the HEI ignition adapted to the flathead. Those are offy heads. Tittleson? I'm not sure. It's new to me, and man, I wish I would have got Tom. I won that fast. And take a better look at some of the Model A's. The kit he had on that, and I think there was enough light in that building. Check this out. Yeah, pretty intense street rod. And then this parade car. If you want to get in the back, how are you going to get up in there? So they have these steps. Looks pretty comfortable in there. Take a walk up through here real quick. A Grand National. Try to do both sides. For as many people here, it's a lot quieter than I thought it would be. 73 Monty It has a red interior. Don't see them very often. All the single round headlights in them. I think that's what mine had. It's been so long ago. A crazy looking engine in this car. I'm not sure. This head's in that pan. I've seen one of them in a 50-something or other Chevy. Is that a Buick? A Grand Sport? You know, that I would be curious how that thing would turn on. It's kind of neat, these little alternators they have nowadays. So then he's pieced together the radiator hose for out of necessity. And it's a convertible, man. There's a lot going for that car right there. And you know, you're never going to have like a whole row of them. But I did go to a Buick party once. It was pretty impressive, the stuff they had. Very ballsy, like a 501 blown in the sky. Quarter-mile car. And as far as I'm aware, our strips closed down again. Check out the 57. Yeah, haven't went and need to take a good look at some of the Model 8s one of these days. Used to see these on the road just 20 years ago. I don't know whatever happened to them. Takes a lot of work to keep a car up. I don't know. Somebody's taken a car and modified, I don't know, like a one-piece Willys front end, or they call it the Misfit toy. And there's 100 of them built, and it's on a Chevy Blazer S10 chassis, so that was built in Marion, Ohio, at the Blazer plant. Wonder what year it was built. It's an '89 Chevy Blazer. Rags to riches. So that was an older Blazer. S10 Blazer. So they didn't take a brand new Blazer and build it. They built 100 of them, so pretty cool. There's that Wild, and I'm not a Chevy guy, but yeah, that one right there. So they're building a new fire department factory over in Urbana. They're Canadians, Steffens. Have a closer look at this and call it a film here real quick.
All right, everybody, it's that time. We're going to get some door prizes away. And again, on behalf of the Ride, we're going to welcome everybody out here on this great 4th of July weekend. I hope y'all having a great time and celebrating our freedom.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Booger Rippy.
And everybody's willing to do it. These are your blue tickets. We're going to have 2 different numbers, but they're both blue. But the first match